Exactly talk about who the manufacturer is at the moment. Would you like to go to the range and shoot your gun?
Today?
Yeah.
Yes!
You want to?
Right now!
Okay.
Yeah, let's go! Can I carry the gun? Always point the gun in the safe direction.
Before we went to the range though, we had to talk about the basic functionality of the weapon. We talked about the size of the bullets and how the magazine works, how the chamber, the bolt, and ejecting rounds works, how chambering a round while the magazine is inserted works, how the safety works,